Hey there, my name is Jason Lee, and I'm doing my Hall of Fame, Hall of Shame on the Microsoft OneNote on my 2-in-1 laptop, which includes a touchscreen. Because it's a touchscreen, it actually has the affordance of touching this entire page, touching everything here, so everything can be manipulated. And because of that, Microsoft put really nice signifiers everywhere, and even uses some of the Gestalt laws of proximity, where you can see that this is definitely in a group of its own, even with the color marking. And over here, it shows you what section you're in with the colors. So you immediately think of, oh, this section, all of these notes belong to this section, and it's very easy to see. And also, if you look up here, there's a different color that's darker, and it shows you your notebook with a signifier, and you can open it up and you can choose different notebooks or even your recent notes. So it uses Gestalt laws pretty well. Not only that, it actually, the signifiers up here, the plus signs are just very easily, oh, I want to add something, but this is a section, so it adds a section. And then up here, it adds a page. And it's very easy. It's just one click and you add a page. And then over here, all this free space must mean that you take notes over here. So I like how they grouped all the menus together over here, and then there's a huge space here where you know that something will happen when you touch it. So if we do touch it, oh look, a button pops up. This button actually is a radial menu that opens up. So if we touch the screen again and go somewhere else, it actually it doesn't pop up right where you touch, because that's sort of confusing and your finger might be covering it. So it goes to the side and allows you to touch it from there, so you can see it. And then as you see it here, there are signifiers to show like which has more options. So picture has options, and it goes into this immediately. And the one thing I'm going to show you is the draw option, where it goes into this new menu that's draw. And then you can draw on screen. And then when you open it up, it also shows you the previous signifier, so that the user will learn what that signifier is and will associate it with expanding a menu. And then you'll see that, oh, I can expand all of these. So you can actually go up and change the color on the pen if you want. And not only that, you can also use sort of a marking radial menu, so you can sort of use gestures. So the one thing I'm going to do is with eraser. If you go to eraser, you'll see that there's an eraser and there's a stroke eraser. So what I can do is I can very quickly access a stroke eraser just by doing a simple gesture, and then this allows me to clear everything really fast. And that's really nice, because it included one of the in my opinion, more innovative menus that we learned about in the class. And it actually has a practical use where if you use OneNote enough, you'll be able to really quickly switch colors, really quickly change the pen size, and like really quickly just access all these different options that are available to you. I haven't used OneNote enough yet, so I can't really show you all of that. So all in all, it has clear icons, uses the Gestalt laws pretty well. There's the radial menu is actually really fast, and it also has the gestures that a marking menu allows you to have. And all in all, I would say this is a Hall of Fame for a program specifically made for you just to take notes. And yes, you can even go on here and type in, so your notes are actually readable instead of handwriting all of your notes. And thanks, that's my Hall of Fame.